Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to simply create shake and blur effects to your clips on CapCut. So first, just prepare your clips and then click on the first clip, go to animation, then find the swing bottom animations under the in category. Set it only for 0.2 seconds, then apply it to all of your clips. Okay, the last one. And after that, just click on the check icon and now go to the video effects. Click on the opening and closing and find the vertical blur. Okay, click on the check icon, make it as short as possible. Then copy it like this 2 times. Then do this for all of the beginning of the clips. Okay, so this is the last clip. And after that, you are done with the shake and blur effects on your clips. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.